So we're going to kind of go into these and a little more for you so we can kind of figure out to where we can, we have all this traffic coming into our website, but how do we make that, traffic pick up the phone and call us? So what I'll do real quick is just show you guys, I'll just kind of run through a couple, let's see here. Man, you guys can't see the, all right, bear with me for a minute. All right. So we'll just go through, like I said, we'll pick some of these apart, but a few things like, this is an actual employee working in the background. You have a form fill here. We talked about you want to have that. Why choose this company over somebody else? This is huge, right? You don't, if I'm a prospect and, I might be looking at this Restoration One site and I might also be looking at the ServPro site or whatever it might be, right? ProClean or a local company, and you guys get the point. Why should I call these guys versus somebody else? So you've got to have those prominently displayed on the site. Photos, actual photos instead of stock images is huge. I mean, we see 90% of the companies that come to us have just stock photos of generic. You can just tell they bought it. It doesn't look real. I mean, this is the actual people that will be showing up at the house, right? So it's live. And you want to have the certifications and awards displayed, right? This again, why are you different than the guy that they might be calling down the street? So if you have certifications and awards, as you can see, I mean, this client has, he's all kinds of awards, and so we obviously want to put these, and he's a member of a lot of associations, so you want to display those on your website. And then have your main services, displayed to where it speaks directly to whatever the problem is that customer has. You want to have click to call buttons. I mean, if these are tapped on a phone, it populates the dial pad. You want to have testimonials and reviews, real, not fake stuff. I mean, these are Google My Business reviews that are pulled into this website, so they can check these reviews and make sure they're real or not. So these are displayed for the prospect to see. So that's kind of just a general overview. And I just kind of wanted to hit a few of the highlights. Here's another one, for example. And something that this is a newer site we've built, and something we need to do. This is kind of temporary, but this is a stock photo, right? And we're working with this client to get some real photos of him and his team, because those will connect a lot better with the prospect than just a stock photo. So we are working on that. You want to have your services. And see, the older sites used to have more text, right? But think about your attention span. Nobody's sitting here reading for 10 minutes, 1,000 words. Like, the attention span is very short these days. So you've got to have everybody's used to seeing the icons, the bullets, short and sweet. So that's kind of where we're seeing the better conversion rates. And again, just a few things to point out why they're different. Hassle-free insurance claims. This picture obviously is not very good, right? And that's, like I said, we're working with him to get pictures of his actual trucks and stuff, but you got for the time being, we wanted to get his site up and live, so we're using this while he works on getting the better photos for us. And just let them know that you have certified techs on staff, you're available 24/7. If you provide free estimates, then let them know that. And that's another big conversion thing. People, everybody loves free, right? So if you do free estimates, then make sure that's displayed on your website for people to see. Again, show some real reviews with some happy clients that you've serviced in the past. And again, if you're a member of the IICRC, put that on there. And if you've gotten some awards for some of these lead gen companies use, like Home Advisor, then you want to put those on your site as well. And I don't know if you noticed too that this phone number is sticking as I scroll down, right? That way, if somebody decides they do want to call, they don't have to go searching for the phone number. It's right here and somebody can call. A lot of sites we come across, the phone number doesn't see, and if the prospect stopped here, there's no phone number displayed, right? So they have to go back and find it. So you always want to have the phone number visible and clickable, so that way if it was on from a mobile site, that they could just call you straight from the phone. And then I want to show you too a good example of a site leveraging multimedia or video. And not everybody has this capability, and I understand, but when you do, you can have a video shot, and this auto plays, right, of an actual technician in somebody's home. You can do some branding with you can wear your shirt with the logo on it, and just you can see it's Restoration One talking to it's a happy customer. Oh, thanks for signing up with us. Here's our truck driving around town. So I don't know, this is pretty slick, but I understand that not everybody can do this, but when you can, you want to implement some video, and that way the prospect will put, themselves in their shoe, or these people's shoes, is what happens. Whether they realize it or not, they probably won't realize it, but that's what we all do. Just when you watch a movie, for example, right? We all connect and imagine ourselves in that situation. And then again, you want to have, why choose this company over the other. So whatever, this will vary obviously a little bit by your services, your background, but just make sure you keep in mind as you're designing the site, what makes you better than the competition. And again, you want to have the phone number clickable, any awards or anything displayed, testimonials, real reviews. You can pull these in from Yelp, Google, wherever you want to do there. So just want to show you guys a couple of those examples real quick, and like I said, we're going to dive into these a little bit more. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.